Good morning, student, and welcome to the online math class. And today I will explain the exercise 14.1. This is related with the statistics. And before starting this exercise, I will tell you something. You have to know all the formulas related with this exercise. I will tell you in the class. So you have to learn these formula and then after do this exercise. If you are not know how the formula is used in this question, then you have to confuse where we have to do the work and why we have to do these things. Okay, so first of all you have to learn the formula that is written in your class. Here we have to calculate the mean and observation and frequency is given there in the tabular form. So we have to use this tabulation form for calculating the mean. For this we have to know the formula of mean. What is the formula of mean? You very well know. X bar is equal to summation fi xi upon summation fi. This is the formula of mean. You have to open the page where you have to write this formula because this formula we have to write in your class. So take this book in front of this video and then after you have to do this question. So first of all you have to calculate the class mark. I will tell you what is the meaning of class mark in the class. So I repeat again, what is a class mark? Class mark is the upper and lower limit midpoint. That is called a class mark. Here we have to write the formula of class mark. You have to see on the screen very well. This is a formula of class mark. This is a formula of class mark. Xi is equal to upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. Okay. Here you know this is your number of plants. Here this is given. Now we have to write the number of a house. This is a number of a house. Here this value is given. This is the value of number of house. Okay. So these things is help to calculate the number of a houses here. Okay. And then after you have to do this work. So you have to see number of a plants. So number of a plant is given 0 to 2, that is right here, 2 to 4, and then after 4 to 6, then after 6 to 8, then after 8 to 10, then after 10 to 12, then after 12 to 14 is given there. So we have to say that things if interval have a gap, that time you have to use one things. How many gaps is how many gap in the interval, then you have to find that gap. Just like अगर मैं यहाँ पर लिखता 0 to 2 और 3 to 4, तो यहाँ पर गैप हो जाता आपका 1 मार्क्स का, 1 नंबर का. अब उस गैप को फिल करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे कि उसको हाफ करेंगे 1 को, और जो उसकी लोअर लिमिट है, लोअर लिमिट कहाँ होती है बेटे? लोअर लिमिट इंटरवल में ये है और अपर लिमिट इंटरवल की ये है. तो इस लोअर लिमिट में से आप उसका हाफ घटा देते हैं और अपर लिमिट में वो हाफ आप ऐड कर देते हैं, तब हम एक नया इंटरवल जनरेट करते हैं और देन आफ्टर वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द क्लास मार्क. सो इस पॉइंट को आप जरूर रिमेंबर रखेंगे कि हम इंटरवल को कंसिडर करेंगे कि देयर इज अ गैप इन द इंटरवल और नॉट. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. देन आफ्टर वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द क्लास मार्क. क्लास मार्क कहाँ है? यहाँ पर है. क्लास मार्क को कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? यू वेरी वेल नो. xi के थ्रू वी हैव टू डिनोट द क्लास मार्क. देन आफ्टर 0 to 2, how many things is here कि अपर लिमिट इज 0 and lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 2. So that's mean 0 plus 2, that's mean 2. That I will say these things कि we have to put here the upper value and the lower limit. तो upper value is 0 and that is not a 0. upper limit is 2. upper limit मतलब बड़ी वाली लिमिट. तो upper limit is 2 प्लस लोअर लिमिट इज 0. तो 2 plus 0 upon 2, this is your class mark. So then after 2 upon 2, then after how much value? 1. So we have to write these things here. You see this, okay, we have to write this 1 here, this is our 1, and then after we have to do this process for the next interval, this interval. So you have to see this 2. So 2 is your lower limit and 4 is your upper limit. So we have to write the how to calculate the class mark. 2 ni upper limit is 4. So 4 plus 2 upon 2, that's mean 6 upon 2, that's mean 3. So we have to write these things here. This is your 3. Okay, now you have to calculate the next value with the help of this formula. So in this interval you very well know upper limit is 6, lower limit is 4. So 6 plus 4 upon 2, that's mean 10 upon 2, 10 upon 2, and that's mean 5. So by this way you have to calculate the class mark. So this is your class mark. You have to calculate this class mark with the help of this formula. Find the upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit is a higher value, lower limit is your lowest value in the interval. Then after you have to calculate this fi xi, because there is a formula. What is the formula of x bar? That mean x bar is equal to summation fi xi upon summation fi. This is your formula. So here which value we have to find? This value. Okay, this is not I have not this type of value here with the within a table. So we have to calculate fi xi first. So we have to calculate here fi xi. Okay, so how to calculate fi xi? This is your fi frequency and this is your xi, and multiply these things, and then after we have to write these things. Okay, so you have to multiply 1 with 1, that is 1, 2 plus 3, 2 into 3, that's mean 6, 1 into 5, that's mean 5, 5 into 7, that's mean 35, 6 into 9, that's mean 54, 2 into 11, that's mean 22, 3 into 13, that's mean 39. So we have to write these things. Okay, so then after we have to calculate fi xi with the help of this formula fi into xi, that's mean f1 into x1. This is your f1 and this is your x1. So f1 into x1 is equal to fi xi, yeah, f1 x1. f2 into x2, that's in f2 x2. Okay, by this way you have to write these things. Okay, now after that you have to calculate here summation. You have to calculate here fi xi, but we have to find the value of summation fi xi. So how to find the summation? So you have to find the summation with the help of addition all these value. After addition of all these value you have to add it, and then after you have to find the summation. So we have to add these value. Okay, तो ऐड करिए, और आफ्टर एडिटिंग दिस वैल्यू यू हैव टू फाइंड दिस summation fi xi. Then after what you do for calculating the mean? You very well know what is the formula of your this work. So this is a formula of, just a minute, this is a formula here. Okay, this is a formula. So you have to calculate the first of all you have to calculate the summation fi. Also you have to add these things. Okay, you have to add these things here, add these things, then after you have to calculate the summation. Okay, and here you have to know this is the value of summation fi xi and this is the value of summation fi. Okay, now we have to go on a formula. So here you have to know the formula of summation fi xi. So this is a formula of summation fi and xi. This is a formula of some mean. Okay, here you have to find the mean. So mean is a summation fi xi upon summation fi, that is the x bar is equal to summation fi xi upon summation fi. Okay, and then after put the value of summation here. This is a formula of summation fi xi upon summation fi, and then after put the value of all these value in the formula, and then after calculate these things. तो समेशन एफ आई एक्स आई कितना है आपके पास 162 है, और समेशन एफ आई कितना है 20 है, तो 162 अपॉन 20 दैट्स मीन द वैल्यू इज 8.1. बाय दिस वे यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द मीन इन ऑल दिस एक्सरसाइज. ओके, नाउ आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. तो दिस इज योर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, this is your next question. Consider the following distribution of a day wages of the 50 worker of factory, and then after you have to calculate the mean. Okay, calculate the mean, and with the help of the by using the appropriate method. जो भी मेथड आप इसके अंदर आप अच्छा जानते हैं वो मेथड आप यूज़ करके इसको कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. तो जैसा कि आप सबको पता है कि मैंने आपको डायरेक्ट मेथड अभी बताया, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड अ डायरेक्ट मेथड. नाउ वी हैव टू डिस्कस अबाउट द assumed method. Okay, so we have to discuss this question with the help of assume method. So this is your next method that is used in this question for minimize the calculation. Okay, so we have to write here these things. This is your interval, this is your frequency, and then after we have to calculate the class mark. Okay, so class mark how to calculate? upper limit plus lower limit upon 2, just like यहाँ पर है 120 plus 100 और अपॉन 2 कैलकुलेट कर लीजिए. 120 प्लस 100 अपॉन 2 करेंगे तो आपके पास कितना आ जाएगा 220 अपॉन 2, दैट्स मीन 110. तो दिस इज योर वैल्यू. हेयर वी हैव टू राइट दिस थिंग्स. ओके, तो इन द class mark this is a value first class mark, just like you have to write the second, just like you have to write the third, just like you have to write the fourth, and just like you have to write the fifth class mark. And then after what you do here, you have to find first of all you know what is the formula to calculate the mean with the help of assumed method. This is your formula to calculate the mean. Okay, this is your formula to calculate the mean, and this formula is help to calculate the mean with the help of mu I. Okay, so how to calculate the mu I? So mu I is calculated with the help of di after calculating the di. Okay, and then after you have to calculate the ui. So with the help of how to calculate the di? Di is a formula that is you have to use. First of all you have to consider a value just like you have to assume कि मैं एक वैल्यू मानता हूँ जो मिडिल वैल्यू हो सभी क्लास मार्क में. अब यहाँ पर क्लास मार्क आपके पास ये हैं, ठीक है. तो क्लास मार्क में आपके पास मिडिल वैल्यू कौन सी है? क्लास मार्क में ये 5 वैल्यू आपके पास हैं. ओके, तो 5 वैल्यू में से इसकी जो मिडिल टर्म्स है, मिडिल वैल्यू है, उसको आप ए सपोज कर लीजिए. तो इसका मिडिल कौन सा है? ये है. तो इसे हमने क्या मान लिया? ए. तो यानी कि ए की वैल्यू आपके पास ये हो गई, दैट इज कॉल्ड योर ए. ए इज इक्वल टू 150. तो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट द डी आई? तो एक्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट द डी आई. तो डी आई इज इक्वल टू एक्स आई माइनस ए. ओके, तो वी हैव टू राइट दिस फॉर्मूला. di is equal to xi minus a. This is your value of a. Okay, and then after you have to subtract these things. अब 150 में 110 में से 150 आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कराएंगे. व्हाट्स वैल्यू यू हैव? 140. देन आफ्टर 130 सब्ट्रैक्ट बाई 150 दैट यू हैव माइनस 120. देन आफ्टर 150 माइनस 150 0. 170 माइनस 150 दैट्स मीन 20. एंड देन आफ्टर 190 minus 150 that's mean 40. And then you have to calculate the di. How to calculate the di? Then after if you have to find the di or ui, then you have to use this formula. What's the formula is there? Formula is ui is equal to di upon h. And how to calculate the h? h is calculated with the help of interval. Here the interval is 120 minus 100. ओके, तो अपर लिमिट में से लोअर लिमिट को अगर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कराएंगे देन यू हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ h. तो h की वैल्यू ऑफ 120 माइनस 100 दैट्स मीन 20. तो हेयर द वैल्यू इज ui is वैल्यू ऑफ h इज 20. तो ui इज इक्वल टू di upon 20. Okay, and then after you have to divide these value with the 20. Okay, तो minus 40 upon 20 that's mean minus 2, minus 20 upon 20 that's mean minus 1, 0 upon 20 that's mean 0, 20 upon 20 that's mean 1, 40 upon 20 that's mean 2. Okay, and then after you have to write these value here. Okay, and then what you do, just see this formula. See this formula. This is your formula. Okay, this is your formula. See this formula. तो in this formula you have a भी आपको मिल गया. a is this value. Okay, a is this value. This is your a value. And then after you have h भी आपके पास है. h आपके पास कितना भी निकाला आपने 20. एंड देन आफ्टर आपके पास समेशन एफ आई है. एफ आई हम यहाँ से कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे तो इसको ऐड कर देंगे तो एफ आई भी निकल जाएगा. बट हमारे पास क्या नहीं है, एफ आई यू आई नहीं है समेशन का. तो हम क्या करेंगे, इस यू आई को इस एफ आई से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो देखिए 12 इंटू माइनस टू, 12 इंटू माइनस टू दैट्स मीन माइनस 24, 14 इंटू माइनस 1 दैट्स मीन माइनस 14, 8 इंटू 0 दैट्स मीन 0, 6 इंटू 1 दैट्स मीन 6, and 10 into 2 that's mean 20. So by this way you have to calculate fi ui. Okay, only you have to multiply ui with fi, then after you have to calculate the fi ui, and then after you have to sum these things. तो आप देख लीजिए ये माइनस के हैं और ये प्लस के हैं, इन्हें दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट करा देंगे तो आपके पास वैल्यू एफ आई यू आई की, समीशन एफ आई यू आई की आ जाएगी. अब देखिए यहाँ पर उस वैल्यू को हम अब रख देंगे. आप यहाँ पर देख ही रहे हैं इस पूरे मेथड में, यहाँ पर आप उसकी वैल्यू को रखते चले जाइए. ए की जगह आपने क्या रखा था, ये रखा था. ओके, ए की जगह आपके पास था 150. दिस इज़ योर ए. Okay, this is your a 150. and then after h is the difference between the intervals. इन दोनों के बीच में क्या इंटरवल में, इन इंटरवल्स में क्या डिफरेंस है 20 का, तो h आ गया. समीशन एफ आई यू आई, दिस इज योर वैल्यू समीशन एफ आई यू आई, एंड दिस इज द समीशन यू आई. ओके, तो दीज वैल्यू यू हैव टू पुट इन दिस फॉर्मूला एंड देन कैलकुलेट इट. बाय दिस वे यू हैव टू फाइंड द मीन with the help of the assumed method, and you have to calculate just like a की value 150 है, summation fi ui that's value is minus 12 upon summation fi that is 50, h 20, then calculate it. 0 से 0 कट के आप वैल्यू को यहाँ पर राइट कर सकते हैं. 150 माइनस 24 अपॉन 5, 24 you have to divide that 24 with the 5 and then you have value is 4.8. 150 minus 4.8 that's mean 145.2. This is your answer. By this way you have to calculate the mean with the help of assumed method. Okay, assume derivation method, assume step derivation method. This is your assume method. तो assume method के through you have to calculate the mean. Now we feel कि all these two method you have to know how to work with these things. Direct method you have to use where the calculation is automatically given is short. Otherwise अगर आपकी calculation high है, if the calculation is given so many difficulty, if you have to do the calculation then you have to find the so many difficulty, that time you have to use the assumed method, and then we have then you have to use the assumed method. This calculation is shortest and you have to find the answer very shortly. Okay, this method is help for reducing your calculation. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If this video you have to like, then after you have to like this video and also subscribe my channel. And all these questions you have to do at your home. If any type of query you have, then you have to ask me or comment me in the below of the boxes in the YouTube, and then I will give your solution. Okay, thank you for watching this video.